Hey Matt, look what just arrived in the office here.
A very big box from our very good friends at HPE.
Yes, absolutely. So just a surprise delivery. We actually got a delivery exception yesterday on President's Day, but they found us today. So look, HPE 10 years. I was there 3,000 years ago. No, I remember. It seems like just yesterday that they split the companies. We ended up with HPE, and we've been working with them ever since with Tech Field Day. So thank you HPE for celebrating your 10th anniversary with friends and partners like Tech Field Day. Should we open it up and see what's inside?
I am very excited to open it up and see what's
I'm
inside.
personally hoping that it's a ProLiant server.
Well, I always have enough for that, but
Yeah.
could be a lot of things.
Well, with memory prices what they are, I don't know this HPE could afford to celebrate the 10th anniversary with that. But
All right, we got.
but here we go. Here we go. All right.
Oh my.
Ooh, I'm seeing a cozy blanket. That's a good thing to start with. All right. So what do we got? Well, let's see. We got some headphones. We'll definitely use these in Team Tech Field Day.
Yep, I could use some.
You could use some.
I could, yeah.
Okay, I guess they're Matt's. What else do we got? We got a movie kit. Let's see, a movie theater kit. It's we got a projector screen, a projector, and a Bluetooth party speaker. So you can watch a movie. I'm sorry to say it, HPE, but we might actually just steal this stuff and use it for Tech Field Day. But I'll probably have the crew take it home and use it too. We have a very cozy looking blanket. Since we have a couch and stuff here at the office, I'm definitely looking forward to enjoying the HPE blanket, despite got the logo on here. And then I think we got something else here for the staff. Let's check this out. We got snacks. We got Twizzlers. Thank you very much for not including the evil red vines. Twizzlers are good. We got some popcorn kernels. We got some nuts. Apparently these include peanuts. We've got God's own gummy bears. These are the best gummy bears. We didn't get those. They didn't come. And finally we got, let's see, some kind of popcorn thing. Let's see what this is. I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What even is this? I don't know what this is. Oh, it's like a little popcorn valise, as it were.
Huh.
I don't. Is it a hat?
It could be.
Okay. A popcorn bucket. So yeah, that's what we got. Thanks HPE for sending us some goodies. We will definitely celebrate the 10th anniversary of HPE the way we do here at Tech Field Day by watching an old movie. What do you think? Is it Buckaroo Banzai?
I mean, that's the classic Field Day movie.
You know,
That's
we were talking about Real Steel the other day. Pacific Rim. I don't know. There's probably some good choices. Happy birthday, HPE. Another 11 years and you'll be old enough to drive. And best of luck for the next 10 and the next 100 from your friends at Tech Field Day and the Futurum Group. So it turns out this thing isn't just a popcorn holder, it's a popcorn cooker. So Rachel immediately said, you're an idiot. That's for popping popcorn. And she's right. Apparently you put popcorn kernels in this and you put it in the microwave and it pops popcorn. Mind blown.